to EVATS Economic Podcast with Miss Dita. Okay, so before we talk about our third episode for today, let me introduce myself. My name is Dimas Galis Saputra, and in here, I'm not alone, and I'm here with
Miss Dita Dismala Sari Dewi as a lecturer of State University of Surabaya.
Okay, nice to meet you, Miss Dita.
Nice to meet you too,
Okay,
Dimas.
so today we're gonna talk about as a student becoming a billionaire. Why not? Okay, so regarding to this, we're gonna talk a lot about investment and also stocks, Miss Dita. So, in your opinion, what is investments and stock, Miss Dita?
Okay, actually investment and stock is the same things actually, because like when we do invest on stock, we do investments actually. For example, like I buy some like gold and then some stock in some applications. That means same as investments. We give it money on the place that can give it back to us, like we get a return, we get dividends. So stock is a part of investment. So like as a students, we do investments. We like in normal day, like as life as a students, we do invest maybe on gold. Like when we have like a woman in a normal, it's also invest. It's the same things as a stock and the gold.
Oh wow, that kind of really interesting, yeah, especially for students. However, right now, like I'm as a student as well, especially in Surabaya. So I already analyzed my friends and from my college. They want to invest. However, they have like limitations in terms of financial and also their conditions. And Ms. Dita, regarding to this, so what kind of strategies that can implement for students if they want to invest in maybe like in some applications or something like that, Miss Tita?
Okay, because I am as students before, that's the same case as me. Like I don't have enough money to invest. Maybe some people thinking like, okay, I must have like 1 billion to invest on stock or to buy something to invest like I can get in the future. But actually, it's not the case. As a students, I know like for example, we have like 5 billions like rupiah in our pocket. We can do invest as the same. Like for example, we can buy like the lower price of stock. For example, like we have BBTN. If you know like the banking in Indonesia,
Yes, I know.
it's also lower price. Like we can buy for 3,000 rupiah. Like you buy candy, you know.
Correct.
Yeah, like that. Like also in other things that we can do. Actually, in as a students, when we payment for our allowance for month, like for example, we do like 1 billion rupiah, and then we have our allowance like for 500 billion rupiah, and then etc. We can like just save for 100,000 rupiah per month. Actually, it can buy for some stock. For example, we can buy one stock for BBTN like 3,000 rupiah, like one lot. So one lot is also depends in some like rupiah, but for 1,000 is mean like we can buy for 10 or 15 lot of stock.
Wow.
So this will be save our money in the future. But remember, as a students also maybe sometimes we need our money back,
Yes,
right?
correct.
Right now, I
Yes.
invest for today, maybe I become rich tomorrow. It's not simple.
Correct, Miss
Because
Tita.
it's like we do lot of way, like we must waiting for time to get back our money. Yeah, it's not like, you know, like noodles, like we cook
Instant.
for today and then it's that 7 a.m. and then we'll be ready to eat at 8 a.m. It's not like that.
Not instant like that, yeah.
Yeah, it's not instant. We invest for today, maybe for in the future like 2-3 years, we can get the return.
Okay, so the students should have like I think like cold money, so they don't have like any necessity to use that money at that time.
Yes.
Regarding to this, Miss, what are some effective strategies for students to start saving and also investing, even with limited resources? Like when and what kind of the good strategies for students to implement that?
Okay, so the word is when we can invest, and then where the place that we can invest our money. First, when actually we can invest like whatever we want, like for now, I can invest now, like as a student, like in a semester, fourth semester, second or last semester, they still can invest. But stock is different investments like other investments that we have. For example, like gold, we have a lot of money to buy that. Like we have in Indonesia, like Antam.
Oh yes, I know
Yeah,
Antam.
it's like for 1 gram is like 1 billion. It's more than 1 billion rupiah. So it's need a lot of money as a student
Yeah.
because we don't have enough that
Yes,
money,
a lot of
right?
money. I don't-
Because I'm a student before. So like we invest on stock, like we just 100,000 rupiah is. I guess the students have this money.
Yes, correct.
Right? It's a cool money that we can invest whatever we want to invest like that. So they actually for where the safety investments that we can use for stock and etc. Actually in Indonesia we have some applications that use, for example, like Ajaib.
Oh yes, Ajaib.
Yeah, if you know that, like
Application.
blue applications. Yeah, this is
Correct.
for stock, and then the purple for the crypto, and also we have here like Bibit.
Yes,
Okay.
I use Bibit as
You
well.
use Bibit?
Yes, I use Bibit.
I guess for Reksadana, right?
Yes, correct. The pasar uang one because it's more
Yes.
safer than the
Yes.
other.
Yes, that's actually can use for stock also. And then iPod, if you know that, but it's this one application for struggle. I mean, like we have for to analyze something in these applications. Like, but actually, they provide a lot of informations, like from how much the budget for this company, the debt, and also for the directors of the company and how the price of the stock, and the most important things as an investor, like we see for two things here.
Two things.
Yes, like dividends.
Dividends.
Yeah, dividends is like when we get money in every year, but like once or two times in a year. And also it depends to the company.
Oh,
Actually,
wow.
not all of the company give us a dividend. Sometimes they give dividends for like once time for like 2 years, but it depends also like Adro,
Andrew.
PTMG, some sorry.
It's okay. Take your time.
I think talk a lot and then feels like crazy.
It's okay. Take your time. miss.
Okay, so like that, like Adro, like ATMG is they give us like dividends for 2 times in a year. So you imagine like as students, we invest for this year like what, like for example like 1 billion,
1 billion
rupiah,
rupiah.
and then we get dividends in every year like 2 times or once in a time. Like for example, like we get like 75,000 rupiah, and then that's our cool money. Then we don't use it and like stay humble with your money and then just keep it. You don't need to sell it. Like please do that.
transaction,
Yes,
yes, yeah.
just be patents for your stock. This is something like that. And also, I know just some stock that give us dividends like 2 times, and then 1 time like BBTN, they give us like 1 time, and then for Adro, ATMG, they give us for 2 times of a dividend. So it's a real benefit for students also, like you have 1 billion and you get like for a year like 200 rupiah, 200,000 rupiah in year for a dividends. Why not? Like we don't use that money for like some things that we can invest and maybe we can use in the future. And also we can get other things.
Other thing. What kind of that?
Sometimes it's called a return.
Return.
Yeah, actually, as students also, we can just not save our money or invest in one current or one company.
Yes,
We
yes.
can also do like sell our money to others. So return is like different price. Like when we buy this stock in the price before and then buy after and then sell for the after the price. So for example, like we buy 5,000 rupiah for one lot, and then maybe tomorrow or like a few months after that, we can sell for like 5,500 rupiah. Sometimes we can get a return for 500 rupiah. So something like that is different price before and after is also we can get it as a students. These are two things,
Two
kind of
things.
dividends and then
Depend
return of stock.
Return of stocks. Wow, that's so interesting. If friends, we talk a lot regarding to the strategies for students to invest or something like that. This one is regarding to the advantage of investment. And we'll talk about disadvantage or invest in stock. What kind of disadvantage to invest in stocks, Miss?
Okay, for disadvantage,
Yes.
actually, it's a lot.
It's a lot of
Yeah.
What kind of that means?
Okay, the first actually, when you give your money that, actually that will be you lost your money.
Oh wow.
Right? As a student, like, oh my god, I invest for today in 8 EM, like I invest for 1 billion rupiah. Oh my god, this price is lower. And then I lost like 200,000 rupiah.
Yes.
Oh my god, oh my
That's
god.
the biggest fear for
Yeah,
students.
yeah. You know, like in my thinking when I was student, oh my god, this money I can buy meatball. Why I do that?
Yes, that is the biggest
Yeah.
fear from students.
Something like that, like 2,000 rupiah is like valuable for us. Like we can use for everything, like to buy something because we are students, right?
Yes,
We don't need
correct.
money. We have our sponsor. Our parents is still with us, so something like that. So the first is we have a possibility to lose our money. Actually, if you don't want to lose your money, you just keep it. So just waiting until the price is increased like before.
Oh well, should keep it for
Keep
money.
it, yeah, keep it the money and then sell that. Even like the news, even like the policies of governments, still like it's not a benefit for our stock. Just keep it. Don't care about everything. Sometimes I do that when I buy some stock or crypto that I play with them, like I just keep it. I don't care if you minus like approximately 3 until 10%, even more than that. I don't care. I just keep
Just
it.
keep it.
Yeah, because my money there, I didn't want loss. Is the first.
Yes.
And then the second is like if the lower price, like for the stock, sometimes it take a times to increase. Maybe for if you know like some stock like I was invest before like Elmas.
Elmas.
Yes, Elmas. For the previous year, I buy for 50 lot. Is like one lot is like 500 rupiah. It's really like it's like even candy is more
Yes.
benefits like that.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive like than that stock. So I
Correct.
buy that stock. I decide to buy it, and you know like what is coming? I
What
lost
is-
it.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I lost it, and then the price is lower than what I expect, what I
Oh.
analyze.
It's lower.
It's
what kind
lower.
of what kind of company that Elmas have?
Elmas Habs is like you know like calls and something like trading that's
oh.
something like that. So I lost it, but I will still keep it. You know, like I will keep like more than 1 year.
More than 1 year.
I don't know.
And then
Yeah, I just still keep the money there. Yeah, so just like that, I didn't do anything because if I want to carry it, actually I can carry it of my money, but I don't want.
oh you
Because
still
yeah,
keep it.
yeah, I will still keep it. I don't want to lose anything.
Yes,
I have other like stock,
The
other
other
stock
stocks.
that I can get dividends and other things.
More higher.
Yeah, more higher. So okay, maybe I will keep it. Because also as an investment, as investor, like even students or like professional investor, they have our like tolerance of themselves. For me, I just tolerance if I lost like five, approximately 5 until 10% of my stock.
10%.
Yes, more than that, I'm not tolerant. I just keep it and I don't sell it. But if I lost like 5% or 10 or etc., okay, I sell it because it's not too much for me. But more than like 50%, who wants to keep it?
It depends on the person as well, yeah, Miss.
Yes, it depends on the person as well. Like you have your decision, you have your own analysis. So it's just something like that.
Oh, so the strategies and also the education regarding to the financial investment is
Yeah.
really, really, what was that, like, important?
Important, yeah. Some like before we invest also we just need like to know the company. Like we have clear briefly like this company, what is kind, the product and etc. They must do investment or not?
Oh yes, I do in the Bibit.
Okay, the
Yeah,
Bibit,
Bibit.
which do like reksadana or some stock you buy?
Pasar uang. I use pasar uang,
Okay.
but in the small, what was it, like, amount, because I don't want to have like a high risk, so I choose that.
Okay, but it's okay because like stock also have difference like high
correct.
risk, high return.
Yes,
And
correct.
then
High
Reksadana
risk,
is
high return.
not,
I
right?
choose the low return.
Okay, low stock and low risk also.
Yes, correct,
Yeah,
yes.
it's like like the kind of investment.
Yeah.
So here we have a three kind of investment.
Three kind of
Yes,
investment.
the first is the investment one to higher return and higher risk.
High return and high risk.
Risk. For example, like you buy some asset in crypto.
Asset
Okay,
crypto,
but
yes.
here we don't discuss about crypto. Maybe we'll leave it. And then the second type of investor is middle for the risk and middle of the return also. Like okay, like I have a tolerance for my returns and also the risk of my investment. And the last, like you, low risk and low return.
Return.
It's something like that. We have different type of kind of investments.
Okay, so the three is regarding to the type of investment, yeah, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, now let's move regarding to this, Miss. Regarding to what role do financial literacy and also education play in helping students make informed financial decisions in terms of investment, Miss.
Okay.
And how can you give, what was that, like, recommendations for students to increase and also improve their financial literacy?
Okay, so actually as an economic student, we have here like financial analysis is really important. Like we
correct.
do like some analysis in our not just stock, right?
correct.
But also in our real life.
Yes,
Where
correct,
sometimes as a student we cannot handle money. Like for example, my my first sponsor sent me, which is my parents, send me money like 1 billion rupiah, for example, like for my allowance.
Allowance.
Okay, and then for 1 week, it's not like I don't have it any money. So these little things is really important as an economics that we can handle not just in a stock but also in our real life. Like we can make a structure every day, like how much money that we use, and then also there's limitations that don't do like I want, like in the music, like I want it, I got it.
wow.
Please don't do that.
Manage our money
Manage
well.
our money well, yeah, something like that. As also in investment of the stock, the strategy maybe we can use as a student. First, we know a lot of company in Indonesia,
yes,
but
yes.
also we must know which is the good company. Just
yes,
know for
correct.
the company is not strategy, but the good company is one of strategy. Like also if you open for like visit the company that have the report of the company, like they have analyzed report inside of the report, financial report.
In the online website.
Yes, we have it. We have it. Just for example, like BBRI financial report. That will be show up like how much and lots of things, like for example, like we have the general introductions and the product of that. Also they explain a lot about direction. The depth is most important things also, like how much the depth of the company. You don't want to invest like the higher depth of company.
Yeah.
So this company maybe will be not I mean like not good well to invest, because they have a lot of debt that can pay for debt, so they don't pay for your dividends. So something like that. And also in the report of the company, they have also for financial analyze inside of that, like as we say in our financial report, we have our how much the product sell and the gold sell, is something like that.
Oh, it's really, really detailed.
Yeah,
in the
it's
website.
really details. You can access for free.
You have any tools, Miss, to measure and also analyze those kind of things, Miss, in the online website?
Okay, so actually we have our class right in international finance. We
Yes,
do analysis
correct.
of some international stock,
Yes,
and we have like MGMD, and we have cryptocurrency also.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, that's
Cryptocurrency.
okay. In Ajaib also they have analyzed
wow.
instead of the application. For example, like you can analyze for the graph,
graph.
Yeah, for example, like we have like the price of 1 week, 1 month, 1 hours, even until 24 hours, and then we have also the price from like 3-5 years for the stock. So we can analyze also from the graph, like we see the previous year they have like 5,000 per lot, and maybe we can like predict.
We can predict.
Yes, we can predict. Like we have prediction for the price. It will be lower or increase for the price. So something like that. That's we can do it. And also for me, when I use such applications of investments, I do also analyze inside of applications, not just only in the graph, but also some informations like debt information is also included in the application. So I can share how much this company have of debt, and also actually how much the increasing price for this company, and how much people interest to invest here. So something like that. Some analyze that little analyze, but can help us to invest in the good place. I mean like the good company.
Okay.
And also we have the last things that we do is instead of like financial analysis and then also the graph and etc. We do like out of them, like
Out of them.
yes. For example, like the policies of government.
Policies of government.
Yes, you know like the elections, presidential election of Indonesia.
Yes, of course. You know.
This year, right?
Yes,
So
correct.
the stocks it will green automatically.
Green.
That's why, because that's all even in Indonesia, that will be effect for the stock also.
Oh, the elections will affect the stocks.
Yes, yes.
Oh, what is the reason, Miss?
The reasons because like for example like some people happy they have new election. Some people do analyze like, okay, is this new elections maybe will be increase all of stocks, so I will buy it. That's why the lot of stocks will be green.
Will be great.
Yes.
Oh,
Other effects also we call, I guess like psychology effect.
Psychology effect.
Yes, psychology effect. Like for example, when we analyze, like I have analyzed before, like Monday and Friday is different case of a stock. I mean like yes, the price. I had been read for some research, and I do also the research about the day, the psychology things that affect of the stock. For example, on Monday, the stocks will be lower or be red.
All right.
Yeah, but on Friday, the stock will be green.
Oh, it's different.
It's different. Why something like that? You know why?
Where is?
Okay, so why in Monday is different like in
Yes.
Friday? Because Monday people thinks like, okay, I so boring in Monday. I have a long day. I just sold my stock.
Oh,
And there is
wow.
no like happy things that inside for the person who want to buy stock. So they sell it. That's why they will become lower or rate. Why in Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, you as a student happy on Friday or not?
Yes, of course, because the next day will be weekend, so
Okay.
I can rest and also like I want to do something with my own favorite, I can do that.
Okay, that's the reason actually.
Wow.
As an investor also is the same. Like on Friday, we do some rest and then we happy like okay, this is my last day on working. So tomorrow I will go to like
Bye.
and other things like shopping and etc. I'm happy, and I buy a lot of stuff, like something like this.
I
That's
see.
why this out of the effects will be impact of the stock. I mean like not direct effect, but it will be effect.
Oh wow.
Something like
the
that.
financial decisions, it depends and have a correlation with the psychological effect.
Yes.
Like Monday in red, Monday will red, and also Friday will green. You miss.
Yes, yes,
Oh
yes.
wow, that's so interesting.
Yeah, so it's not a direct effect actually, but it will be effect like because it's psychology things.
Indirect effect to the stock. You miss.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah,
that's
yeah.
so cool.
Yeah, something like that. And also like psychology, government like happens, like something happened in this year, and also news. Like,
News.
yes, for sure news. For example, like in news, like we can use like inflation.
Inflation.
Yeah, when there's higher inflations, this will be effect also on stock because like people or investors sometimes they have a panic attack. As an investor, it's normal as a panic attack. Like, oh my God, there's no inflation in Indonesia. I want to sell out my stock. Something like that.
Oh, it's same case with. I'm so sorry. I talk about the South Korea. Like in the agencies, if they have like bad case to the idols,
Yep.
the investors. I mean, like the stocks will decrease at that time. At the
Yeah.
right way. Oh, it's same case here. Miss
It's the
Like.
same case. You know, like we discuss about Korea. I will like do something because I know some little things about Koreans. Like, you know BTS, right?
Oh, yes,
I
I
know
know about
everyone
it.
here know BTS, right?
Right. I mean, like
I guess everyone know
Everyone
BTS here.
know about
Yeah.
BTS.
So you know, like a member of BTS, like some, you know, have concentrations to the place like I don't know the rules in Korea like we have sometimes maybe they have war or something like
yes,
that.
yes.
The camp go to the camp like not show. They have the show again like something like that. You know like that's lower for the stock.
oh, it will affect.
Yeah, affect the stock because like this big member, this big group. I mean, like it's one of the big K-pop
Yes, biggest group in K-pop
right? Yeah,
restaurants.
and in South Korea, it's affected.
Oh wow.
And also the interesting out of this topic, BTS also one of idol K-pop that's provide lots of, I mean like give a lot of tourists come to South
Oh
Korea.
wow, that's a really good thing for the country
Yeah,
itself.
for the
Miss.
country.
So Indonesia should implement this as
So
well.
implement, I guess, but I don't know which is Indonesia will be affected with the stock actually. Because like we don't have like such K-pop or we have like dangdut, you know, like
Oh yes,
dangdut.
yes, we know.
But I guess it's not affect the stock. Or maybe we have like pop music.
Yes,
But
yes,
it's not still because the effect of them is not biggest than the other. Like I mean, it's not means like Indonesians is not good as in musician or etc. But actually, it's not such a good. I mean, like the influence to other country. Like we have dangdut. It's
Yes.
I mean like it's
kind of
more,
big in Indonesia.
Yes, big Indonesian song, but it's not affect of the stock.
It depends as
It's
well.
different,
yes,
yeah. But the news, what kind of news? It's not like the news like, for example, like Pia Palen married.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
What kind of news that will affect me?
Okay, the news actually is like, for example, like we Indonesians space of inflation. Something like that. Indonesian have lower the exchange rate.
Oh,
Okay,
it will affect.
so this there will be effect, and also the out effect, not direct effect for the stock. We have here like we have like event, sub event.
Events.
Yeah. For example, like like COVID-19 case.
Oh yes, COVID-19 case is really massive in Indonesia.
Yeah, it's really like a big things, right?
Yes, correct.
Like even mask, like we use mask like not frequently, but when the COVID coming,
Yes,
we use
every day.
every day for the
Correct.
mask. So this event is big events that come to face for the stock. I mean, like for example. Okay, for example, like COVID, this will be something like that.
Okay, Miss. Now, maybe we should talk about the last things here, Miss. Yeah, regarding to what kind of the investment things that students can do, and then you can recommend to us, Miss, as a students. Maybe.
Okay.
The safe zone.
Okay, the safe zone of students that can do to invest is you can invest for the big company and the well company. For example, like BBT and BBRI, BBCI financial institution and etc. Maybe just that, and then just slowly analyze by yourself, and also do some investments in the Headland for Financial Service of Indonesia, also we call OJK, like the Prophet as Ajaib and Bibit and etc. Maybe this will be the safe for your saving.
Okay, well, so that's all for today's sessions. If friends, of course, as a student, you definitely have the power to shape your financial future by invest in stocks. Okay, now let's wrap up with close the door. If you want to save, save on stocks. Okay, thank you. See you again, friends.
Bye bye.